Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. Infosys jumped over 2% today, making it the top Nifty gainer. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll see which stocks moved most, what drove the rally, and the key Nifty levels for next week. The index opened at 24,124 rupees 7, traded as high as 24,228 rupees 45, and as low as 24,120 rupees 35, with a previous close of 23,962 rupees. 8 short-term indicators show a mild bullish bias. EMA9 at 24,110 rupees sits above EMA20 at 24,011 rupees, while RSI 14 at 56.3 reads neutral. The market is nudging higher, but not sprinting. Volume was normal versus the 20-day average, and resistance sits at 24,262 rupees, with support near 23,902 rupees. Near 52-week high pressure is real. The index is testing a strong historical resistance zone. A notable multi-day detail: DII's net bought for 2 sessions, suggesting domestic institutional buying helped keep the index steady into the close. Think of today as a cautious approach to the highs, a close flirtation more than a commitment. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments. I read everyone. SBI Life Insurance opened at 1830 rupees 7 and closed at 1862 rupees 9. Up 2.26%, with an intraday high of 1866 rupees 0 and low of 1830 rupees 7. The move stands out because the stock cleared its 20-day closing high, putting it into price discovery territory, a level it hadn't cleared in weeks. RSI 14 is at 70.1, signaling overbought conditions, and EMA9 at 1809 rupees sits above EMA20 at 1797 rupees, confirming short-term bullishness. Volume was 0.77, the 20-day average, so this rally looks retail-led rather than heavy institutional buying. The key level to watch tomorrow is resistance around 1866 rupees and support near 1787 rupees. Holding above the 20-day high is the immediate story. Quick joke: SBI Life decided to throw a small party at the 20-day high. The candles are the RSI, and someone brought overbought dip. If that candle settles, we LL shift focus to HDFC Life next. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. HDFC Life Insurance opened at 555 rupees 0 and closed at 567 rupees 7, up 2.87%, with a high of 570 rupees 0 and a low of 554 rupees 0. There was no single news trigger in the data. Instead, volume spiked to 2.01, the 20-day average, a sign of unusual institutional conviction behind the move. Technicals are mixed. RSI 14 at 47.7 is neutral, but EMA9 at 567 rupees sits just below EMA20 at 573 rupees, showing a short-term bearish bias despite the intraday strength. The key level to watch tomorrow is resistance at 574 rupees and immediate support at 568 rupees. Watching whether volume sustains will tell you if institutions are serious. Dry joke: HDFC Life screamed, "We're back on volume," then quietly reminded the chart it still needs to clear EMA20. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. Now let us move on to Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises opened at 3105 rupees 0 and closed at 3157 rupees 3, up 2.39%, with a high of 3183 rupees 0 and a low of 3100 rupees 0. The stock is trading close to its 52-week high within 2.7%, and EMA9 at 3110 rupees sits above EMA20 at 3060 rupees, showing a short-term bullish trend. RSI 14 at 59.7 is neutral to positive, and volume ran about 1.02, the 20-day average, indicating normal participation rather than a frantic breakout. The technical zone to watch is resistance near 3230 rupees and support at 3106 rupees. Holding above the short EM, a cluster would keep the near-term bias constructive. Quick jab, Adani Enterprises climbed like it needed to get home before curfew fast, but not reckless. This is what the data shows. Always do your own research before acting. Today's theme: cautious rotation into high-quality names and a few stocks probing 52-week resistance levels, with domestic institutions buying over the last 2 sessions. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow are whether Nifty can clear 24,262 rupees resistance and whether SBI Life holds above its 20-day breakout level near 1866 rupees. If HDFC Life's volume stays elevated, that tells you institutional conviction is real. If it falls off, treat the spike as noise. If you found this useful, like the video, drop your watchlist stock in the comments, and subscribe for weekly market recaps. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.